Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Puss in Boots, so let's get started. To draw this cute cat, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw an oval. So about this size, I'm going to bring it down and round it off. And connect. And then let's come right across, nice and wide. So say about right here, I'm going to draw another oval. There, now that my oval's in, let's come back inside and we're going to draw a circle inside. So let's come right here, give it some white space on the sides. And then we're going to come right in this area, draw a highlight. So another small circle right here. And then in this space, we're going to come down and draw another circle, oval I mean. And we're going to shade this part in. So by doing this, when we're coloring, we're going to put the eye color right here. It just adds a lot more life to the eyes. So same thing here. If you're not comfortable doing that, you can just shade it in all black. But this way we get to add some color to the eyes. So same thing right here. And highlight. Then another little oval right here. And shade it in. There. So now that I have that in, we're going to draw a big curve over these eyes. I want to make them a little bit more cat-like, so I'm going to come right here, right over the eyes, and I'm going to bring them down. Bring a curve down. So same thing here. I'm going to go up on this way, it's easier for my hand, and down, just like the other side. So now the eyes are a little bit more cat-like, right? Okay, so then from there in the center, about right here, we're going to draw a little nose. So a little soft curve, round off the corners, and then connect in the center. Then we're going to bring a straight line down, right in the center. And about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and curve all the way back to the top of our nose. So same thing here, come down. It's easier for my hand to go this way, so I'm just going to come down this way and connect. Then in this space right here, whatever space I have left, I'm just going to draw a soft curve. There. And then for Puss right here, we're going to draw the bottom, kind of like his beard. So we're going to draw a curve, and then I'm going to bring it down to about right here, and then just curve out. And right here, go ahead and connect it to make it look like he has a beard. And I'll just shade this part in. There. Okay, so then from there we can go ahead and we're going to draw his brow. So let's come above his eye right here, just got a soft arc. And let's just go ahead and thicken it up, and then right here just zigzag a little bit and connect. So same thing here, go up over his eye and thicken it up, zigzag a little bit and connect. Then let's see, now we can go ahead and frame his face. So we're going to come to, let's come to where his eye is, right about the top of his eye, just to make it a little bit easier. And let's say about right here, I'll just give myself a point. And same thing here, not too much further out. And we're just going to come down with a slight angle on both sides. I'm just going to give his face a little bit of an angle right here on the sides. And then we're just going to zigzag a little bit, and then we're going to bring it down close to his beard part. So I just find my center right about here, just give myself a point so I know where I'm going, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve that comes down to this point. So same thing here. So if you like, you can zigzag a little bit again just to make him extra fluffy, furry. Okay, there, so nice and round at the bottom. Then let's see here, now I'm looking at my eyes, let's make them a little bit Make this part a little bit more prominent. There, okay. So then from there, let's bring this up a little bit more towards the brow area. I'm gonna go up and go up towards the brow. And from there, I'm going to basically draw this curve that comes all the way across. So this curve is going to be a little bit higher than this curve. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and touch that brow, almost cutting it off actually. And then we're going to bring down a curve that comes down to here. And here, so slightly comes down more on this side. Just a little detail if you want. Okay, so then from there we're going to come up. Let's find our center, come up just a little bit, not too much. We're going to start to draw the rim of his hat. So using this as my center point, I'm going to go out nice and full. We're just going to draw this big curve for his hat and bring it in to about right here. And then on this side, it's going to curve up. And so let's go up right here towards the top, and let's say about right here, kind of like the edge of his eye. Bring it out to about here, and then we're going to go up with a little curve, round it off, and bring it back into about right here. So let's go ahead, and we're going to bring it down. And in there. And then we're going to draw the top part of his hat. So just make sure it's about the same width, like if his head was coming here. So about right here, we're going to go up to an angle, and then we're going to bring it down, same thing, to about here. You just want to make sure this part is in that space right here. Okay, so about right here, we're going to start to curve and go across and down. So what I meant is just make sure this curve is touching this point right here of the hat. Then from there, well, let's go ahead and draw the feather. So let's come into this space, and we're just going to go up and zigzag a little bit. And zigzag, and let's just bring it down to about here. We're going to round it off, and as we come to this side, zigzag a little bit and just bring it in. And then right here in the center, we're just going to draw a line that comes down there. So hopefully I've captured his feather, and very important feather, right? And then let's come back here, and we're just going to give Puss here some whiskers just to add a little bit more detail to his look. So hopefully that helps with his overall look right there. So okay, so then from there, let's go ahead. We're done with the head. Let's draw the body. So say about right here, let's give him some shoulders and just bring it down in the center, about right here. And then we're going to give him his cape. So I'm going to come straight down about right here, give myself a point, and I'm going to go up and over, up and over. Then in the center right here, I'll just draw a circle for some little detail. And then we're just going to imagine kind of like his armpit area. So say about here and here, and we're just going to draw a soft angle line coming down. There. Okay, so now let's go ahead and we're going to bring his body down a little bit more. And about right there, I'll stop because I want to draw this belt that he has that's kind of angled down. So I'm just going to come right here and pop it out. I'm just stopping because I want to pop this belt out. If you're using a pencil, you would just go ahead and finish that curve. And then about right here, I'll stop and draw the belt buckle. So I'm just going to draw this kind of rounded off square. And come in here draw the inside. And we're going to continue this down. So let's keep bringing this down to about right here. Angle, and in this space I'm going to pop it out and connect. There, so we have his belt in. Then from there, let's continue. Come down and come down. So then right about here underneath his belt in this area, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve right in the center. And we're going to start his legs. I'm going to start 2 little angles right here. Keep bringing this down. And about right here, I'm going to go ahead and connect. So notice it's at a curve right here. And same thing here. Then we're going to draw his awesome boots, of course. So let's bring this down. I'm going to work on this side first. So we're just going to bring this down, give it a little wobble if you like. Nice and long, and about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect. I think there's like a little red detail right here, so I'll add a little stripe, and then we can finish his boots. So about right here. And here. We're going to come straight down about here and then give it a little curve for his heel. Bring this down and then curve out. Round it off and connect. There. So same thing on this other side. Give it a little bit wobble. Pop this out. And connect. Little detail right here. And then the boots once again. So about right here. A little bit more angular. This is a little bit more straight. And then right here, heel. Pop it out and then come out. And round this part off. There. Okay, so finally we're done with that part. Now we can draw the arms. So let's work on this side. We just want it on his hips. So about right here, kind of like where the belt is. I'm going to come down right here. And we're going to start to angle it in. And before we do that, I'm going to cut it off right here because he has these gloves. I'm going to angle it in, and about right here, just add an angle. So same thing, this is going towards his wrist. Come down for his hand, and then a little curve for his finger. And then on this side, if you want, you can just have his hands coming down, or both of them just like this on the other side. But I thought it'd be really nice if we add his sword. So if you want to do that, to simplify it, I'm going to come right in this area where this belt is. We need to put his sword. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big curve close to this belt. So definitely turn your body if you need to, or the paper, to get this angle. So we're just drawing this big bowl shape, and we're going to connect. And then this is our center. This blade is coming down, so about right here, right in the center, we're going to draw an angle for the handle part, and then a circle. So those are totally turned for my body, and then right here, because that's the only way you can get this at the right angle. You have to turn your paper or your body. Okay, so now we have that, and then we're just going to imagine this coming through. So just kind of bring it through to about here. And we're just going to sharpen it up. There. Okay, finally. Then from there, let's go ahead. We're just going to finish off this arm. We're just going to make it really simple. So just bring it down. And about right there, I'm going to cut it off, like where his gloves would start, and then we're just going to bring it in. And that's it. No other detail. We don't need it, right? We know what's going on. That's enough. Probably we can just tuck his, imagine his hands just behind there. And then from there, his cloak. So, I mean his cape. So we're gonna pop this part out. Pop this part out, and then it's gonna come out to about right here. And so same thing, let's just bring it out to about right here. And now we're just going to wobble our way across. Just to make it nice and simple. And let's see if we're missing anything. That is pretty much it for my drawing of, you know what? Oh, can I put a heart for him? Okay, I will. I'll put a heart right here to make him my Draw So Cute Puss in Boots. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today, and definitely let me know in the comments below if there's other characters you want me to draw from this movie. And thanks so much for watching. If I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.